After you choose your bin and composting location, start with a layer of crisscross sticks to allow for airflow. Next, add a layer of browns, or leaves and brush material, higher on the sides, lower in the middle, like a bowl shape. Then add greens, your non-meat and non-dairy food scraps, as well as grass clippings and other organic materials. Some examples are fruits, veggies, bread and pasta, tea bags, coffee grounds, paper, eggshells, and napkins. Finally, completely cover your food scraps and other organics with another layer of browns. In 6 to 12 months, you will have crumbly, rich soil to use in your gardens.